DJI has quietly delayed what may be its most ambitious pocket camera yet, and, surprisingly, this delay could actually be a very positive development. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 was originally expected to launch before Christmas, generating considerable excitement among content creators, vloggers, and social media enthusiasts. However, recent reports indicate that the release has now been pushed back to January 2026. Importantly, this postponement isn't due to a flaw or issue with the camera itself. Instead, DJI has reportedly delayed the launch because some of the accompanying accessories, such as mounts, cases, and add-on modules, haven't yet met the company's rigorous quality standards. In other words, the core device is fully ready, and this extra time is being used to ensure the complete package lives up to expectations. What makes this delay particularly intriguing is what the Osmo Pocket 4 appears to offer. This isn't simply an incremental upgrade over the Pocket 3. DJI is taking a fundamental step forward, reimagining what a pocket-sized gimbal camera can do. Early leaks suggest innovations like a dual-camera system, vertical shooting optimization, and enhanced video capabilities, pointing toward a device that could redefine handheld content creation in its category. For anyone waiting for a camera that combines portability with professional-grade functionality, this delay may actually make the Osmo Pocket 4 even more compelling. The most important change is the dual-camera system, and it's unlike anything we've seen in this category. Rather than placing cameras side by side like a smartphone, DJI has stacked them vertically on the gimbal head. This design choice directly addresses one of the biggest frustrations for modern creators: switching between horizontal and vertical content without sacrificing quality. The main camera uses a 1-inch, 50MP CMOS sensor with a variable aperture, drawing from technology DJI refined in the Osmo Action 6. It's designed for traditional horizontal shooting, delivering high-resolution stills and cinematic video. The secondary camera is where things get truly innovative. It features a 1.3-inch square sensor with a 13.2mm by 13.2mm format. This allows creators to shoot native vertical video without cropping a standard 16:9 frame. Instead of losing resolution or field of view, vertical footage is captured at full quality. For social media creators, this solves a long-standing compromise. Now you can have both orientation and resolution. This dual-camera setup also enables lossless switching between 2x and 4x zoom, thanks to the different sensor formats. There's no digital degradation involved. Essentially, you're carrying two professional-grade cameras in a device small enough to fit in your palm. DJI borrowed the idea from its Air 3S drone, where dual cameras are used for flexibility and creative control, but shrinking that concept into a handheld gimbal required a complete redesign. The gimbal system itself has been rebuilt to manage the extra weight and balance two optical systems simultaneously, no small engineering feat. Video specs are where the Osmo Pocket 4 truly distances itself from every other pocket camera on the market. Confirmed capabilities include 6K recording at 30 FPS, with strong rumors pointing to 6K at 60 FPS as well. For slow-motion enthusiasts, 4K at 120 FPS is expected, delivering smooth, cinematic results. There are even whispers of 4K at 240 FPS, though that remains unconfirmed for now. The square sensor is optimized for vertical shooting and can reportedly capture 3K vertical video at 120 FPS, specifically tailored for short-form platforms like Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. All of this is paired with 10-bit D-Log-M and, for the first time ever in a pocket camera, Hasselblad color science. This integration brings the natural color reproduction and cinematic tonal response DJI users have come to expect from its Mavic drone lineup. The footage won't just look sharp, it will look professionally graded straight out of the camera. Powering all of this is a larger 1545 mAh battery, a notable jump over the Pocket 3. While running two cameras naturally consumes more power, early estimates suggest over 200 minutes of recording time, making it suitable for long shooting sessions. The touchscreen grows to 2.5 inches with brightness exceeding 800 nits, ensuring visibility even in direct sunlight. Connectivity also sees a major boost with Wi-Fi 6 and 2x2 MIMO, allowing faster file transfers and more stable remote control performance. DJI's Active Track 7.0 brings a new level of intelligence to subject tracking. The system introduces advanced eye tracking, faster subject reacquisition after obstructions, and improved performance with unpredictable subjects like children or pets. By using depth data to predict motion rather than simply reacting to it, tracking feels smoother and more reliable in real-world scenarios. All these upgrades come at a cost. The standard DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to be priced between $600 and $700, reflecting its leap into premium territory. Two versions are expected, a base model aimed at general users and a Pro variant featuring the full dual camera system. The Pro version will be slightly heavier, around 190 grams, but that weight translates directly into professional capability. So why delay such a finished camera? According to multiple sources, the issue lies entirely with the accessories, not the camera hardware. The Osmo Pocket 4 reportedly passed FCC certification in November under model number OP041, confirming that the core device is fully production-ready. DJI simply isn't willing to ship a flagship product with accessories that don't meet its high standards, ensuring that users receive a complete, premium experience. The new January 2026 launch window also aligns perfectly with CES, providing DJI a global stage to showcase the Osmo Pocket 4 and all its capabilities, generate buzz, and demonstrate its groundbreaking features to both creators and the media. In the end, this delay doesn't weaken the Osmo Pocket 4, it strengthens it. By taking the extra time, DJI is emphasizing quality, reliability, and user experience. Every component, from the gimbal to the dual camera system and supporting accessories, will be refined to the highest standard. When the Osmo Pocket 4 finally reaches the market, it will not only offer impressive technical specs but also deliver a polished, professional-grade package that justifies the wait. DJI isn't rushing, they're setting a new benchmark for pocket-sized cameras.